Hello students, greetings. I hope you are doing well. I am Kagesh Mahanta, a long experience engineering and management professional with a big passion and experience teaching different tools of lean manufacturing systems like 5S, visual management, TPM, SMED, VSM, Kanban, JIT, cellular layout, etc., and also many other management systems and tools. I also teach spoken English, English grammar, article writing, creative writing, description and business writing, pencil art, including letter writing, and held warm-up sessions, including corporate warm-up sessions. I teach my students in a friendly and engaging manner in a cool environment to make learning enjoyable and beneficial. Thank you for watching. Have a great time.